Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the like button if you like this look at the end of the video. You know, I recently posted a picture on Instagram and asked you guys, should I recreate / do a tutorial on that look? I mean, y'all got what y'all wanted, so hey y'all, welcome back to my channel again. I already did my brows off camera and I primed my eyelids, so we finna get straight in this tutorial. I posted a look on Instagram and I asked you guys, should I recreate and do a tutorial on that look? If you don't know what look I'm talking about, that means you don't follow me on Instagram. You're gonna see it in this video, so that's okay, I guess. Anyway, so now I'm going to be taking the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. This palette is so pretty, you guys, like me. And I'm going to take this pack brush, I'm guessing. Y'all, I don't know what these brushes be called, but oh, that sucks. I'm just gonna be taking this purple. I'm gonna dab my brush in there a few times in the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to pack this color on my lid. Now I'm going to be taking the Festival by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be taking this pink shade right here, and I'm going to use this to smooth out. Did I say smooth? Use this pink to smooth out the purple. And I'm just going to be working in small sections. Now I'm going to go back inside the Zulu palette, and I'm going to be taking this yellow I'm going to be taking the M562 brush, and then blending out that pink at the top. And I'm going to be blending this yellow kinda into my brow. As you can see, the pink is kind of fading away, so I'm going to go back into that pink just to bring it back to life a little. And I want to deepen the purple because the purple is not as dark as I would like it. I'm going to take this black and this purple and I'm going to be mixing them together. And I'm not going to take too much. I'm just going to go into my crease. And we're just going to deepen this purple just a little. May I help you? Okay, now that the blending is all complete, I already know I'm going to be taking Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium, and I'm going to cut out my crease with this. And I am taking the Morphe M421 brush, and this is what I'm going to carve out my crease with. Okay, so now that I have cut my crease, I am now going to be taking that purple from the Zulu palette. And I'm going to be taking that purple from the Zulu palette, and I'm just going to blend out the edge of my cut crease. I'm not going to be taking too much. I'm just going to tap and then tap off the excess. And then blend out that edge. Going back in with that dark purple and black from the Morphe 35B palette, and again just blending out that edge and also making it a little darker. Now I'm going to go back into the 35B palette, and I'm going to be taking this shimmery yellow right here, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid area. Now for the glitter, I am going to be taking these two glitters. If you can see them, two glitters are by Fluttered by Roe, and I'm going to be mixing these two glitters and then applying them on my eyelid. I'm just going to apply my lash glue in little sections because I don't want it to dry too fast. Y'all, don't be talking about my lashes, okay? I still got these lash extensions on, and I'm too afraid to pull them off because I don't want to pull off my real lashes. And I am using the E19 by Morphe to apply my glitter. It's like a lip brush, but I use it for my glitter. Now that I've applied my glitter, I'm going to be taking the NYX Liquid Matte Liner. And I'm not going to make a wing. I just want to make a very bold line. Okay, so I applied my lashes and my foundation off camera. Now I'm going to be going in with, you already know, the ColourPop foundation in the in the shade medium. Now I'm going to set my face with Laura Mercier. Y'all already know, my holy grail. And yeah. For bronzer, I'll be taking the Anastasia Contour Powder Kit to bronze up my face. For liner, I'm going to be taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. And I'm just going to put this in my waterline. And then I'm just going to set that within this white eyeshadow in the 35B Morphe palette. Just to make sure that it's white. Now I'm going to be taking these same shades that I use on my lid and applying them at the bottom. And the first shade I'm going to go in with is that purple. Next, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, and I'm just going to set my face with this, and I'm going to drench my face. So for highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Master Chrome. In my chin. You know, a little dash here, a little dash everywhere. Y'all already know, like, don't get it twisted. For blush, I'm going to be taking NARS blush, and this is the shade Orgasm. This is the NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso. Taking Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the shade Naked. I think I want to add some gloss. I'm going to be taking ColourPop's Fairy Gloss, and I'm going to apply that right on top. My lips was looking a little dry.